Oh, hello, Ubi Habibis. This is Ubi Giggle. Today I'm gonna read Playhouse Disney creepypasta again called Higilitan Heroes France Gigantic Nightmare. But first, you know what you're gonna do. Okay, let's go. By the way, it's Sunday, so yeah. And by the way, I haven't made Playhouse Disney creepypasta reading since I was 10 years old. So I decided to make this since I haven't made this since I made it since September, I guess, or October. So yeah, let's do this. The first pasta. Let's go. Also, this is not real, of course. So I'm pretty sure you have heard of the two screwed up episodes of an underrated Playhouse Disney show called Higglytown Heroes. Indeed, Higglytown Heroes is indeed underrated. One called Twinkling Secrets, where Twinkle is revealed to be a down bad individual and destroys Higglytown. And another one called The Evil Higgly Kids, where the Higgly Kids became evil and wrecked Higglytown. But what if I told you that I have experienced one that's really messed up? But before I tell you, let me tell you about Higglytown Heroes. It's a CGI animated show produced by Wild Brain Entertainment, now called Wild Brain Spark. Not to be confused with the Wild Brain that was originally the HX Media and Happiness for Playhouse Disney, now Disney Junior. It is about four kids and a squirrel named Fran as they figure out how to solve problems with the help of the heroes along the way. Got that good. Now imagine this, you're in Higglytown and there's a zombie apocalypse and there's nothing you can do. Yeah, that's what happened in this episode I encountered. It was Thanksgiving weekend and I was just sitting on the couch watching some YouTube videos. When suddenly I heard a knock on the door. I asked, who is it? Only for me to realize it was one of my classmates from middle school. I opened the door and one of my classmates was at the door. She said, special delivery. Wow, I replied, thanks. What she gave me was a Higglytown Heroes DVD. Higglytown Heroes Best of Fran. What the DVD looked like? UB is best boy. The DVD was titled Best of Fran. It was released in 2010. 2010, but I thought the show ended in 2008. Nevertheless, I popped the DVD out of its clamshell and put it in my Sony DVD or CD player. Let's just say worst mistake of my life. It started with the Walt Disney Home Entertainment logo from 2001, but something was not quite right. The background was zombie green and the music for some reason was the Renaissance Pictures theme. WTF, I asked. Then it showed some previews which I'm too lazy to mention. The FBI warning screens were normal and so was the Disney DVD logo. Then the episodes began. There were 4 episodes in the DVD. The first one was Fran on the Moon. The second episode was Fran Takes a Hike. The third episode was a Valentine for Miss Fern. All 3 of were fine, but the fourth one completely different story. Before the episode even started, there was a warning screen. The background took place in one of the screenshots in the credits, and the text was in the Comic Sans font. It read out, warning, the following episode you were about to see was made by a former animator at Happiness who got fired after making the episode. The episode was in promotion for the upcoming show called The Walking Dead. It contains violence, language, and some disturbing scenes which may not be suitable for people under 13. Viewer discretion is advised. What? I gasped. This has to be fake. The intro then started, but something was not right. When the earth egg opened up, the sky was zombie green. But no one in Higglytown really noticed it. The title card then appeared, Fran's Gigantic Nightmare. I don't like where this is going, I whimpered. It then opened to Higglytown at night time. There was a pizza party and the party ended. Everyone was going home. Wow, what a party, you bespoke. I couldn't agree more, Wayne agreed. Guys, Twinkle asked. It's past our bedtime. Oh, well, let's get ready for bed. Keep reminded. It then showed a quick montage of the Higgly kids getting ready for bed. After the short montage, they got tucked inside their beds and said goodnight to each other. It then zoomed into Fran's face as she was still sleeping. As the screen went wavy to Fran's dream. The Arthur thought sound effect was heard. Fran's dream started with Fran reading a book. Yubi then opened the door. Fran, come check this out, he told her. Okay, Fran accepted. As Fran went outside, she saw that something was wrong. The sky was green, as in zombie green. Why the heck is the sky green? Twinkle asked. This surprised me as I never heard the word heck in Higglytown Heroes. Of course, since Higglytown Heroes is literally a kid's show. Like, why would they put swear words in Higglytown Heroes? Okay, I don't know, Wayne answered. How do we fix it? Kip asked. Oh, I know, Twinkle thought. She then explained her plan. We will go up to the sky with the blue food coloring, then drop the blue food coloring on the sky to make it blue again. Didn't I see that word in the Evil Higgly Kids creepypasta I read? That's some nice thinking, Twinkle, Fran told Twinkle. But there's no way we can fly up at the sky. And even if we did, the food coloring wouldn't even touch the sky. Ah, pickles, Twinkle muttered. Suddenly, the Higgly Kid saw something green falling from the sky. Fran immediately noticed and asked, Oh crap! Oh crap! I'm sorry. Oh crap! Oh crap! Okay, I'll stop. Oh crap, what is that? What shocked me even more is that nobody in the show used that phrase. In fact, that's not even a kid-friendly phrase. But what happened next will shock you. It looks like something green is falling from the sky, Yubi thought. Oh no, Twinkle gasped. It's gonna destroy Higglytown. Run! Wayne and Kip screamed. The Higgly kids ran for their lives just in time. Because when the green giant bomb fell, it immediately exploded. Luckily, the kids hopped far enough that the blast didn't touch them, and they ran to the forest and caught their breath. Phew, Twinkle relieved. That was close, Kip sighed. You can say that again, Yubi agreed. Suddenly, the kids began to cough violently. Then they realized Higglytown got caught in blaze. The screams of many people were heard, like the pizza guy, the kids' parents, Miss Fern, Uncle Lemon, yes, that's what I call Uncle Lemo, and the others. What the ever living hell is happening? Wayne gasped. It shocked me even more because no one used the word hell in Higglytown. Everything is dead, Twinkle cried, but the way she said it sounded nothing like Twinkle. It sounded realistic, as if the voice actor Lily, how do I read this? Mummy or Mumi? Had lost one of her family members. There was a zombie noise heard. The kids turned around to reveal that it was Pizza Guy, but he looked zombified. The Higgly kids screamed in terror, which sounded like the MACSS. What in the UB does that mean? Scream and hop away. Once they hopped away, they hopped until they bumped into Fran's mom, but she was a zombie too. Hop to your left, Twinkle yelled. So they hopped to their left, but they bumped into the firefighter from up a tree, but he was zombified. They screamed in horror as they saw him. Hop to your right, Wayne screamed. They ran to the right to get away from the zombie. I hope we didn't bump into another one zombified, Kip yelled, but before tripping on a kitten. More specifically, Henrietta, his kitten. Luckily, she wasn't zombified at first, so they were relieved. But her face suddenly turned into a zombie cat. They all screamed in terror, and they saw that the other people in Higglytown approaching them from different sides. The kids hugged each other, scared. Franz screamed, Well, there's nothing we can do. It's been nice knowing you. I love you, Twinkle, Wayne cried. The zombies were about to make contact with the kids, when all of a sudden it cut to Fran's face. She was screaming hyper-realistically. Turns out it was a nightmare. The kids heard her scream and ran to her. I was puzzled why they couldn't just... Oh wait, never mind. Fran! Kip screamed. What happened? I had a nightmare which Higglytown blew up and turned into a zombie land and they attacked us, Fran explained while crying. It's okay, Fran. Twinkle apologized while hugging Fran. As long as you watch the right thing that's innocent enough, you won't have another nightmare like that. Thanks, Twinkle. Franz smiled, feeling better. Group hug. The Higgly kids all did a group hug together, and the egg closed on the screen, ending the episode. Emotional. Then afterwards, the credits play, but it was in shades of zombie green with whipped cream puddles everywhere. What the hell did I just witness? I muttered. It showed the logos, but they made it worse than ever. The Wild Brain logo came up, but the background was zombie green, and the eye was hypnotized when it spun. Green blood splattered everywhere. The Happiness logo came up, but the background was purple like the Grimace Shake. Yes, from 2023 or 2024. And the Nest had a sus look on its face with the voiceover saying, "Oh yes, daddy." What in the ELB? The Playhouse Disney original logo came up, but the sky was zombie green. The sun and bird had creepy smiles while they were twitching. It then took me back to the DVD menu. I was surprised on how this acted like. It was sort of violent explosion from the creeper, but it was still scary enough to give me the creeps. I popped the DVD out of the DVD or CD player, put it in this case, and put it in my room. I don't think I'll ever watch Higglyton Heroes the same way again after seeing this. Okay, and okay, goodbye, you'll be happy because I love you. God loves you. Bye.